I was so excited, like everything looked so different, the aura was so changed. There were students all around. I met my friends, I felt so happy. I was like stuck in my home for a whole 2 years. I had nobody to share anything, whatever my feeling was.
Fun with my friends and do activities in every single subject. That's so fun with teamwork.
It's a lot of fun meeting my old friends and making new friends who are new admissions.
Making new friends and doing several activities like playing football, drawing. Thank you.
Going to ground and play with our friends, eating our friends' lunch and doing photography in school and enjoying a lot. Thanks.
We can play cricket, we can do yoga, we can do taekwondo, we can do several nice activities in school. I am very happy to come to school. Thank you.